Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video we are talking about how you can fix Roblox loading screen stuck on your PS4 or PS5. To fix Roblox loading screen stuck on your PS4 or PS5, you can try some steps. First of all, you can try to free up some storage on your PlayStation. For that, you have to delete unused app or games to free up space on your PlayStation, because sometimes storage can cause the stuck issue on your PlayStation. Hopefully by this you can fix the Roblox loading screen stuck on your PlayStation. If you are still facing the issue, you can rebuild the database. For that you have to boot your PlayStation in safe mode, and then you have to select rebuild database, and hopefully by this the Roblox loading screen on your PS4 or PS5 can fixed by that. If the issue is still persist, you can reach out to the Roblox or PlayStation support for further assistance. They will guide you to fix the issue. Hopefully by this video you can fix the Roblox loading screen stuck on your PS4 or PS5. Thanks for watching.